Hey there, I'm Rachel with Positively Mommy, and today I'm going to show you how to clean out the Revlon one-step hair dryer. So I've got my handy tool here. This is what it looks like, and a link for it will be down below in the description. You can get it on Amazon for like $3. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I don't know if you can see, but this hair dryer has a whole bunch of hair in it. I just used it, and I want to get all the hair out, so I'm just going to use this brush part to comb it like this. And this is going to get all the hair out, and you want to make sure to wash this every single time you use it. Then it won't get buildup in it, and it'll stay nice forever. I've had mine for 1.5 years now, I think. And it is still good as new. It looks super clean. There's no flakes or lint or anything because I clean it every time I use it. And then you just want to go through and take out all of these hairs. And if you can't quite get them, it's got this claw that you can go through and get all the remaining hairs out with. And then you just kind of collect them from the top. Blowing it to get some of the, if there's any product or lint or anything, I want to get that out. And if you're having a hard time getting the lint out, you could also take a microfiber cloth and just go in between each section and wipe. So yeah, that's it. That's how you clean out the Revlon one-step hair dryer. If you have any questions, let me know. But all you do is use this cute little tool and brush out all the hair and the lint with it, and that's it. And then after you do that, then you clean out this. You take all the hairs out of this. But as you can see, this is very effective at getting the lint out because there's dust all over this. I don't know if you can see the dust flying around, but there's dust and hair in here, and so you can keep this nice by cleaning the hairs out too. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.